Education for environmental conservation. First, introduction. What is environment? Environment क्या है? Environment can be defined as a sum total of all the living and non-living elements. Environment is living and non-living elements combination that influence the human being or human life. While all living elements are like animal, fisheries, and birds, and all the non-living elements includes water, food, land, sunlight, rocks, and air. सारी की सारी living elements like the फिशरीज, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स एंड नॉन लिविंग जैसे सनलाइट, ये सारी चीज़ें एनवायरनमेंट कहलाती हैं. What is environmental education and why we are studying environmental education? First, environment. Environment is sum total of all living and non-living factors that surround us. And what is education? Education is the system of imparting knowledge and information. Whenever you are imparting or transferring the knowledge is called as a education. And this is the environmental education. So, what is the aim? Its aim is to educate the young people about the importance of nature and the environment. We are studying environmental education because we want young people to understand that what is the importance of nature and the environment. So, environmental education is a process that allow an individual to explore the environment issue and engage in a problem solving and take action to improve the environment. So, environmental education led the people to know what are the environmental issues and how to solve these problems related to environmental issues and take actions to improving the environment. So, a process that helps people to learn about the environment and how to take care of it. Now, what are the objectives of the environmental education? Why we are studying environmental education? What is the main objective? First, giving awareness. Because we want to explore some solutions. When people are aware about the environmental issues, we can explore some solutions. And public about environmental issues to reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can aware public about environmental issues, and we can tell about the 3R formula, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Second is the knowledge. We can give the knowledge about importance of the environment, how important environment is for us to live. Third is the responsibility, its protection and maintenance, that it is the responsibility of an every individual to protect and maintain our environment. And next one is the participation. Participation means adding the more people, so participate more and more people for the environmental conservation. Attitude, develop a sense of responsibility among the nature toward the conservation and preservation of natural environment. Our attitude should be like yes, it is important for us to protect our environment and it is our duty, a sense of responsibility. Skills are like to identify environmental issues and steps required to resolve them, that every individual have skills to different skills and they can use those skills for the environmental conservation, resolving the problems. One is the critical thinking skills, because it is important to have a critical skills to solve any problem. These are the some objectives of the environmental education, why we are studying. Now, scope for environmental education. Why we are studying environmental education subject, its scope is actually very wide. Like we can study about the pollution, because we can understand the causes and effect of pollution and how to reduce it. This is about the pollution, and we know reduce, reuse, and recycle things. We can know about the population explosion. So it's like conservation of the resources, health and hygiene is important, food and nutrition. Some important points like environment comes from a French word which is the environ, means surrounding or outside, and conservation means protection. Components of environment like biotic and abiotic. Biotic means all living things like fungi, plants, animals. Abiotic like water, animal, and water, light, temperature, soil, all non-living things. Biological components and physical components. Biological components are like animals, plant, microorganisms, and physical components like water, air, climate, soil, etc. Biological aspect, human being, animal, bird. Physical aspect like water, air. Socio-culture aspect like law, rules, and religious belief, etc.